Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a clip in between clips in Davinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, head on to your media pool, and I want you to drag your cursor or the line. It has a magnetic pull between clips, so place it right in between those. And then let's say we want to insert this light leak right here. So all you have to do instead is just drag it here. Instead of going to the the timeline itself, we want to place it to insert. So there you go. Now it's in between the clip, and now you can enjoy. So there you go guys, it's just that simple. So again, you can just do it, and you can even fit to fill, and you can also do others such as place on top, and then you can also replace or insert override. There you go. So basically can't even see it right now, so you can check it out right there. So that's how it looked like. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.